Hello everyone, I'm Anna He. In this video, I will show you how to digitize a Reticule pattern. A little bit about myself. I have been sewing for a long time and I love making costumes based on fantasy and historical inspiration. My latest project is the red dress from the movie Crimson Peak. For its accessories, I wanted to make a Reticule bag. Victorian ladies use various types of handbags, so I picked a drawstring style bag that works best for my costume. These type of drawstring bags are similar in size, but very ornately decorated. I want to use my Premiere Plus 2 Ultra program to digitize the pattern and embroidery at the same time. For this project, I know I want the finished size to be about 6.5 inches by 9, which is about 170 millimeters by 230 millimeters. We will make 2 embroidered panels and cut 2 lining panels. We will use buttonholes for Drawcord Exits. We'll need flower motif design. The fabric is the same as my dress. The embroidery thread I'm using is the Sulky Totally Rayon Thread in dark brown color. The bobbin thread is a Sulky 60 weight PolyLite Thread in black. Because I already know the stitching will be dense, a heavyweight stabilizer is needed. I use the Sulky Totally Stable Stabilizer. Start in the Premiere Plus 2 Create program, open and start a new design with no pictures. Under the Quick Create tab, you'll see a shape button. Next to it is a drop-down window for all the available shapes. For our project, we will use the square. Click Shape again to place the shape into the hoop. Drag the corner points to adjust the shape into our intended size. You can check the size on the upper right-hand side. On the left sidebar, right-click on the rectangle and select Property. Choose No Fill for Pattern Filled. Choose Running Stitch for the line and click Apply and OK. This is our sewing pattern. From the lower right-hand side, choose the magnifying glass to zoom in on the top of the pattern. Under the Precise Create tab, click on Create an Area or a Line. Draw a line by clicking at the start, then double-click on where I want to end. Right-click the line on the left sidebar and select Properties. There should be no filled and the line should be motif lined. Here, you can pick a stitch to be the line. I want buttonholes for the Drawcord Exits, so I pick Group 5 and Category Buttonholes. Choose the default buttonhole, click Apply and OK. Back on the hoop, select the buttonhole, Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-P to paste additional buttonholes across. You can also group the motifs together on the left panel like this. Use Shift and click to select more than one motif, right-click and group. Now you can move them together. Under the same tab, now click Insert Embroidery. Choose the design you want to add and click Open. This will place the design onto the hoop. Adjust the position as you see fit, and then we are almost done. Last step is to go to File and export embroidery to make this working file into a format for your machine. Now, I can open Premiere Program to send it to my machine via my SewNet. I'm going to stitch it out in single color as fitting for my costume. Once all the embroideries are done, I added seam allowance all around the stitch line and cut out the lining pieces as well. Sewing the bag was relatively easy, and I'm excited to further embellish the bag. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me in these social channels. See you next time!